Hey everyone, welcome to November 2025, and I hope you've been following my series for Game Night Timer, my DIY one-button turn timer that keeps game night moving. Over the past few months, we've built this project on multiple platforms: Raspberry Pi on Pico, Arduino Uno, and even the AIY Voice Kit version 1. Each version adds its own twist, from LEDs and buzzers to LCD screens, Bluetooth speakers, and full voice announcements recorded right in the microphone. Congrats to Alana in South Dakota, who won the AIY kit for September. If you entered in October, I'll be drawing that winner live on Thursday, November 6, 2025 at 12 noon Eastern Standard Time. Now for November, I'm giving away one more, my last Google AIY Voice Kit version 1 this month. The Raspberry Pi 3 is required but not included. You'll need to provide your own Pi. To enter for November, comment on any eligible landscape video I post this month. No shorts. This video is eligible. Each eligible video will clearly say in the description that it's part of the giveaway, and it will include links to the official rules and entry form. In your comment, tell me which board game or card game your family takes too long to play, or a Raspberry Pi project you'd like to see on my channel. Then fill out the entry form linked in that video's description. There is an entry form in the description of this video. This giveaway is US only, and I'll cover standard shipping within the US. Entries are for November only. This is the last month that you can enter. Sorry, that's because this is my last one. One entry per person per month keeps it fair. If you already won, you can't win again. Entries for November are open from November 1st through the 30th. I'll draw the final winner live in early December. Full rules are linked in the description. This giveaway is sponsored by me, Caroline Dunn, and is not sponsored, endorsed, or administered by YouTube or Google. If you'd like to support my channel, please subscribe, like my videos, consider joining as a channel member, or check out my book, A Woman's Guide to Winning in Tech, on Amazon. Links are in the description. Good luck, and may your game nights be faster and more fun. Bye now.